Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 30, NASDAQ up 6, S&P's up $1.50. Gold contract up $14.30, trading at $1,657 an ounce. Silver up 41 cents at $29.92 an ounce. Platinum up $30 at $1,537 an ounce. Copper up 2.5 pennies at $3.47 a pound. Light sweet crude up 43 cents at $97.27 a barrel. Bonds up a point and 3/4 to 147.30. Yesterday, what it had done, rejected lower price. 100,000 contracts less. Bottom line, that baby's on its way up to the 150s. King dollar. Now, King dollar down 35 ticks at 81.56. Coming into the bottom of its consolidation. Still lighter volume than the bottom, which is 40,000 contracts. I believe we did about 30,000 contracts out there today. Bottom line, though, down at these levels, we'll go back to that. But I suspect what I'd like to see is a little low rejection of that price, and then, topside once again. Euro, up 46 ticks, trading out at 125.18. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, what do you have? Okay, so we got to the high out there yesterday. Spiked the high at the 1426, had 600 million shares. You go south today, you're back inside the range of the 14-15. You do 600 million. We'll see what kind of strength it has on the way downtown. Dow Industrials, we take with the Dow down 30, but realistically a flat market. The Dow is down at 120, closed at 172. Inside the lower range, we're at 13,172. Now, NASDAQ Composite. What do you have with the Composite? Composite did 1.5 billion. Composite is almost in the top of the range once again. We're at 3073, and you can make an argument that the Composite actually is in the higher range, because 3061 would be the higher range. And it's just, bottom line, you can make that argument. Apple. Let's go take a look at Apple. Apple got a bite out of it yesterday. Turn around today. You're back up $12. Now it gets really interesting on this baby right here. You had a low out here today of a 648. You have the high, closed at the high, which is 668. If you do put this on the 10-minute, this is basically set up once again to turn around, at least test the lows of the bar of yesterday. So we'll see how it handles that action up there. What we had, gold contract. Let's go over and take a look at gold. We had the Fed minutes out here today, folks, and inside the Fed minutes. I'll go through that in a second for you. 124,000 contracts. Now, that's a good showing. 150 would be better. That's still a good showing. You're still coming into the downdraft from the April 4th area. We'll see whether it can handle that area. We go look at the GLD. What you have with the GLD? GLD did 13 million shares out here, and that's just not enough. The GLD should have been pushing about 20 million shares. We're at the 160 area. And, bottom line, we'll see whether, it can get up higher. But GLD should have had twice the amount of shares if, in fact, we're going to go topside. We take a look at the bond market out here, U.S. This is okay. So inside bonds, you had a wide price spread, accelerated volume. Bonds are on the way. The bonds are screaming this market's going to go south. We're at 147.29. We did 352,000 contracts out here. You had the wide price spread. You had the acceleration of volume. You had all the above. So it's going to be wild watching this to shake out, because what you absolutely did is that you broke the downtrend that has been in place since the 153.11, which was the July 25th area. And you broke it with conviction. You had a wide price spread. You had the accelerated volume was all there. You get one more day like this, and we'll be at that 153.11 before you can basically walk across the street. 877-927-6648. Let's take a look at some of the high-volume stocks in a low-volume market still. We had Fifth Third Bank up 42 cents. You had Pluty Homes up 50 cents. Lowe's was up 81 cents. eBay was up $1.15. We're going to go back to eBay because eBay is a setup to back down. It's been really strong stock, huge run, but today it just didn't handle it. Microsoft was down 26 cents. You had Intel off 38 cents. Some of the large caps out here. Whoops. There she is. We had Big Blue down $1.40. Marvell was down 3. We had Caterpillar off $1.57. Oxy was up 70 cents. We had, let's see, Big Mac was down up 3 cents. We go over to IBM first. We take a look at Big Blue. So, Big Blue, yeah, she's in the lower range once again. You know, acceleration of volume too, actually, which is pretty amazing. So Big Blue had just hit a high. Short-term high, of course. 3 days ago, 2.5 million. You're down on 3.2. She's back in the lower range. She'll start going after this 188 area again. Caterpillar. We take a look at Caterpillar. Caterpillar was off $3 out here today. And okay, so Caterpillar, she's in a consolidation. She's already down from $115 to the 88 level, but she's going to make her way into this 84.55 level. That's the way that is set up right now. We take a look at Walmart. Walmart, of course, that number 70.25. She was up 34 cents today. She hit 71.35. Not enough juice, though. When you look at Walmart, what you have is this. So she goes topside. You know, we'll see how she tries to hit. No, well, this is pretty wild. So she closed at 71.77. The bottom of the first gap away on the way down, folks, was 71.78. And we had come down there at 17 million. She goes back into that area today with 6 million. So Fed minutes. Let's talk about the Fed minutes. And this is how the Fed minutes came out. Now what's pretty wild here is that the way that it came out on the Bloomberg anyway, it said many members judged that additional monetary accommodation would likely be warranted fairly soon unless incoming information pointed to a substantial and sustainable strengthening in the pace of the economic recovery, according to the record of the Federal Open Market Committee's July 31st to August 1st gathering released today in Washington. What I thought was interesting about that is that the bottom line is that what does many members mean? And I haven't been able to get my head as to what many means. How many of them? Here's another. Many participants of the Fed meeting said a new large-scale asset purchase program could provide additional support for economic recovery, according to the minutes. Policymakers said in the statement after the meeting that they would step up record stimulus if needed to spur growth and cut jobless rates stuck above 8% since 2008. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. So the bottom line is that QE 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, I'm sure they're all on the table. Is it going to make a difference, in the market, in the economy? Well, let's talk about the market first. In the market, I'm not too sure. And the reason being is that statement there seemed to be about the most bullish statement out there. Meaning, if there's many members say that, okay, QE3 is right around the corner. That's how you read that statement. But yet the market still couldn't pop. You know, you had the acceleration up in the gold market. You had let's go to the dollar here. I want to see what this dollar is all about. Okay, so dollar, there she goes. She had a contraction of volume again. Okay, so dollar still in the consolidation. This is what you had. Now, the lowest swing point, folks, on the dollar gets into the 81.30 mark, and 81.39. we're 42,000 contracts and 39,000 contracts. Watch this. Yesterday you did 27,000 contracts, today 26. It's going to be way too tired when it gets down there. That's a beautiful thing. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.
Tom O'Brien's daily trading newsletter, Market Insights, has delivered powerful results for subscribers, and now is the perfect time to try it out for 2 weeks absolutely free. We're so confident in the value Tom provides his subscribers in his daily newsletter that through Labor Day weekend only, when you sign up for a 2-week free trial to Market Insights, we'll send you a free copy of Tom's best-selling book, The Art of Timing the Trade, your ultimate trading mastery system, completely free of charge. Will even cover the shipping cost. Cancel at any time during your 2-week free trial to Market Insights and pay nothing, and keep Tom's free book as a gift from us. This offer is only valid for new subscribers. We've only extended this offer once before, and it will only be active for a short period of 2 weeks. So act now to take advantage of this great offer and be ready to capitalize on a more active, more volatile market once traders return from their August vacations. All the details are on the front page of TFNN.com. Sign up for your free trial to get your free copy of Tom's best-selling book today.